first video, we have seen that introduction of chapter number 3rd, pair of linear equation into variables, जिसमें वेरिएबल किसे बोलते हैं, उसके बाद उसमें पैर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन मींस दो पैर में इक्वेशन दिए लीनियर इक्वेशन, तो उसका सॉल्यूशन कैसे करना है, जिसके अंदर हमें यहां पर दो इक्वेशन बनाने हैं, जिसमें एक्सरसाइज 3.1 में प्रेजेंट एज जो है वो आफ्ताब, उसके हमें पता नहीं है, लेकिन आफ्ताब सेज दैट हिज डॉटर बिफोर 7 years the age will be how many times, 7 times. तो मीन्स आफ्ताब उसकी जो बेटी है उसको बोल रहा है कि 7 साल पहले मेरी उम्र तेरी उम्र से कितनी थी, 7 times, मीन्स 7 गुना थी. So here first we have to suppose let the present age of आफ्ताब be x year. दो लोग हैं, आफ्ताब और उसकी डॉटर है, तो मीन्स आफ्ताब को हम x सपोज करते हैं एंड present age of his daughter be y years. Now after before 7 years, first given that before 7 years, so we have subtract first x minus 7 and same like that before 7 years his daughter y minus 7, it will be 7 times, कितनी होगी, उससे 7 गुना होगी. दोनों की जो प्रेजेंट एज है वो x ईयर और y ईयर से, बट बिफोर 7 ईयर उससे 7 साल पहले दोनों की माइनस करेंगे जो प्रेजेंट एज उसमें से, तो हम x माइनस 7 और y माइनस 7 लिखेंगे. अब उसमें वो जो आफ्ताब है उसकी जो एज है वो उसकी डॉटर की एज से 7 टाइम्स है, मींस आगे मल्टीप्लिकेशन में हम 7 लिखेंगे. सो x माइनस 7 इक्वल्स टू 7y, 7 7 जा 49 माइनस 49. सो x minus 7y equals to minus 49 and plus 7. So the equation is x minus 7y equals to minus 42 is the first equation. Now next to be continued equation is given that after 3 years, the age of Aftab be x plus 3 and his daughter is 8 y plus 3 years. अब जो प्रेजेंट एज है उसमें दूसरा कंपैरिजन है कि आफ्टर 3 years my age will be 3 times of my daughter. मेरी जो उम्र है वो मेरी डॉटर की जो एज है उससे कितनी होगी, 3 times. So x plus 3 equals to y plus 3, but it's 3 times. That means आगे मल्टीप्लिकेशन में हमें 3 लगा देना है. So x plus 3 equals to 3y and 3 3s are 9. So x minus 3y and equals to 9 minus 3. So it's x minus 3y equals to 6 is the second equation. Now here students, therefore the algebraic representation is first equation x minus 7 equals to minus 42. So here we have to make the x as the master. So x equals to 7y here given that in left side minus 7y, so here we write 7y minus 42. So the in equation we have to put the value. If we put different types of value of y we are taking, then we get the value of x. So if we take the value of y is 5, so 7 5s are 35 minus 42, so the answer is minus 7. If we take the value of y is 6, value of y is 6, so 7 6 ja 42, and if we take 6, then 7 6 are 42 minus 42 is the answer is 0. Value of x is 0. Afterward, if we take the value of y is 7, so here comes 7 7 ja 49 minus 42, so the value of x is 7. Now same like that in equation number second, x minus 3y equals to 6. So first we make the equation in x form, so we make x as master, so x equals to 3y plus 6 minus 3y, उसे हम इस तरफ ले जाएंगे मींस प्लस 3y बन जाएंगे. So x equals to 3y plus 6. Now if we take the different types of value y, then we get the value of x. So first we take the value of y equals to 0. So here if we take 0, then it becomes value of x is 6. Now if we take the value of y equals to minus 1, so it's minus 3 and plus 6, so the answer is 3. And if the value of we put minus 2, then 3 2s are 6, minus 6 plus 6 then equals to 0. So here two types of equations here, making two tables. Now it's represent on the graph.
Hello students, now we have to represent both the equation on the graph. So first we have represent x minus 7y equals to minus 42, and this related here already make the table. X, value of x is minus 7, then value of y equals to 5. So minus 7 and 5. So here we represent here that, and afterward 0 6, that means 6 on y axis. So here we represent, first we represent minus 7 5, afterward 0 6, and last one 7 7. So it's on a 7 7 here that. So x minus 7y equals to minus 42 line we have to draw it. Afterward second equation is that x minus 3y equals to 6, and we have already make the table. See the value of x and y, value of x is 6 and the value of y is 0. So here we represent 6 0 like that, and afterward 3 minus 1, 3 on x axis and on y axis minus 1. So here we represent this point. So 2 points already we have represent here and here. Afterward next third point 0 and minus 2. So 0 is on x axis and on y axis equals to minus 2. So here on y axis minus 2 point. So the line here we represent x minus 3y equals to 6 like that.